In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove GCash from Spotify. If your Spotify Premium is being billed through Google Play using GCash, the way to stop those charges is to cancel the subscription from the Play Store. I'll walk you through the exact screens so it's simple and stress-free. Start by opening the Play Store on your Android device. This is the app where you download and update your apps. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the subscription list can load correctly. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the Play Store. This opens your account menu. Before you continue, double-check that you're signed in to the same Google account you used when you first subscribed to Spotify. If you manage multiple Google accounts on your phone, the subscription will only appear under the account that was billed. From the account menu, choose Payments and Subscriptions. This is where Google keeps your payment settings and all the apps you're currently paying for through the Play Store. Then tap Subscriptions. You'll see a list of active and possibly past subscriptions tied to this Google account. Look for Spotify in that list. If you currently subscribe through Google Play, Spotify will appear here with your plan details and next billing date. If you don't see Spotify, it usually means your Spotify plan isn't billed through Google Play, so GCash removal via the Play Store won't apply in that case. Tap Spotify to open the subscription details. Here, you'll find the option to remove or cancel the subscription. Tap the Cancel option and follow the on-screen confirmations. This stops future recurring charges and effectively removes GCash as the payment method for your Spotify billing through Google Play. Your premium features typically remain available until the end of the current billing period, so you won't lose access immediately. After you finish, you should see the Spotify entry marked as cancelled in your subscriptions list once the change processes. That status confirms that automatic payments have been turned off. If you ever want premium again, you can resubscribe later and choose a different payment method during checkout. That's all there is to it. By opening the Play Store, tapping your profile, going to Payments and Subscriptions, selecting Subscriptions, finding Spotify, and cancelling from there, you cleanly remove GCash from your Spotify billing handled by Google Play. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each screen so everything updates correctly.